Today we're going to be doing this really fancy hairstyle with like a crown style. So let's get right into it. What we're going to be using for these tutorials are your rope, your thread, or your shoelace, spray bottle, some water to moisturize or spray some water to the hair. You'll be needing your hair wax, your airbrush to brush, smoothing the hair. Also be needing, of course, a hairpin, and that's pretty much it. Actually, I didn't start with the freshly washed hair, so I've had my hair for long and I didn't really want to wash at the moment, so I just wanted to style the hair. So yeah. So after using whatever style you're on, you go on to using your shoelace or rope or thread, whatever it is you have to hold the hair, to tie the hair. So you're doing something like crown style. So since it is a crown style, you're going to make sure you're packing the hair to the front. So after packing the hair to the front, you're going to overlap it. You're going to pick from one part of the hair, fold and overlap to the other part of the hair, and then do that for the other section. Please do not take it to the flakes on my edges. Actually, if you have watched my other video on how to remove whitish flakes on airwax, you know how to do that. Actually, the hack I did not follow in this video, that's why I'm sharing the white flakes. Thank you so much. If you watched to this part, thank you so much for watching. To check out more of my hair video tutorials via this link, and please do subscribe. Hit the subscribe button and subscribe, and check out my playlist on hair tutorials to see more fancy styles like this. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.